Hello, my name's Danielle Collins, world leading face yoga expert, and I am a big fan of holistic wellness. I have been teaching face yoga, relaxation therapy, and wellness for almost 18 years now. And today we are talking collagen. So, how to naturally preserve and also boost the collagen in our skin. So, let's get going with our first tip. So, my first tip is eat the right foods. So this encompasses a lot. The first thing you want to do is eat foods that are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants help to fight free radicals, and free radicals are trying to break down the collagen in your skin, which you don't want. So any foods high in antioxidants like berries, green leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds, all of these things help the body to really fight any pollution or damage going into the skin and trying to break down your collagen. You also want to have foods high in vitamin C. Vitamin C really helps with the collagen production. So you may want to take a vitamin C supplement, but definitely delve into foods like citrus fruits, berries, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables. All of these things are really going to help boost the vitamin C in your skin. And you also want to really think about the protein you're having as well. It's important for the rebuilding of collagen for us to have enough good quality protein. And remember, a lot of it is about what we eat, but it's also about what we apply to our skin. So I really recommend Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturizing serum because it's very high in vitamin C, very high in antioxidants, and it really helps to nourish the skin from the outside in. You're actually going into that middle layer of skin where your collagen and elastin lie, because the molecules of the moisturizing serum are small enough to get into that middle layer of skin. Cream just sits on your top layer of skin, so it doesn't actually get near the dermis, which is where you want to be. So it's really feeding it, and you can use it instead of a regular moisturizer. That's what I do, or you can use a couple of drops underneath your regular moisturizer. So that's your tip one, eating the right foods. Tip two is applying the right skincare. So we've covered that. Let's get into our tip number three. This is about protecting your skin from the sun. Now, sun damage can actually degrade the collagen fibers. So it's really important that you're protecting your skin from the sun every single day. Now, even on a cloudy day, even in the winter, even if you're sat working by a window, the UVA rays can actually penetrate through cloud, and they can actually penetrate through windows as well. So even though you're not getting those UVB rays where you're burning, you're getting those UVA rays, which are the aging rays, which actually degrade your collagen. So important you use a good quality sunscreen. Now, there's a lot of controversy when it comes to sunscreen, and I'm very tempted to do a video on the different sunscreens that are out there. Many people don't want to use a sunscreen because they are toxic in many ways. There are also mineral-based sun creams, which are often better for the skin, but often leave a white, chalky residue. So it's entirely up to you what you go for. Generally, I tend to use Green People SPF 30, and I use that every day underneath my makeup. And if I'm wearing makeup, I tend to wear Bare Minerals, which has also got SPF in it as well, and that's the SPF foundation. Now, those two things together tend to work well for my skin. It hydrates it without making it greasy. It's very good because it doesn't clog my pores, because I can be really prone to outbreaks. I've also got sensitive skin, so it's very good for that. And underneath the base of both of those things, I always have my natural protection, which is the Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturizing serum, which is fantastic because it is full of those antioxidants, which really do help to fight any damage from the sun, from pollution, from anything else you're being exposed to. So that tends to be what I do. Apart from my own product there, of course, those other products are not sponsored. They are just products I tend to use. So it's a Green People SPF 30, which I find really good for protection. And I also use the Bare Minerals, which I believe is an SPF 15 foundation. So not sponsored, but just wanted to let you know the things I have found really helpful. But have an experiment. Use what is right for your skin. For quite a long while, I used a zinc oxide sunscreen, which was by a brand called Badger. I found that really good, but it did make my skin look quite chalky and white. I have been recommended a couple of other mineral sunscreens, which I'm in the process of trying. So I may do a video on that and get back to you. So that is your tip number 3. Protect yourself from the sun. It's massively going to help with your collagen. Okay, let's get into tip number 4. This is taking a collagen supplement. Now, this is partly sponsored because I do have an affiliate link for you, but it is a great one because you get a discount. And I tend to use rejuvenated collagen shots. I have it each evening. It's a powder and I mix it into water. Now, they do also do a vegetarian and a vegan alternative, which don't work quite as well with helping to boost the collagen in the skin. But because it is full of vitamin C and antioxidants, it does really help your skin's natural protection. I tend to use the one that is fish-based because I tend to eat a little bit of fish. I find that also has the biggest impact on my skin. So make sure you use the discount code on screen if you want to use that, and take it before you go to bed at night. It is the time when your skin is doing all of that repair and rejuvenation. So let's get into tip number 5. Now, it's no surprise that my tip number 5 is massage your skin. Now, you can find over 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel, Face Yoga Expert, where I show you so many good techniques to massage your skin and do exercise for your skin. This is doing so much for your skin. It's really helping with that natural regeneration of the skin cells. It's really helping to naturally plump and firm your skin. It's also helping to repair any damage in your skin. So I would definitely recommend daily massage of your skin. So hopefully that has helped you. They are my 5 top tips. If you'd like more information about face yoga, head to faceyogaexpert.com. Take care. Bye bye.